It is just crucial. Serving Ignacio. Nice serving Ignacio. A ball was set to King Shodies. Oh, the dig there very well. And an attack. Error. Error committed there by Sander. So first point will be given to team Alisto Gindoman. Now serving Castrones. Nice serve. Set. And a half of the net. We'll get a point for Team Valencia. We are tied now at 1-0. Jarvis Singer. Now serving Sander. Nice serve by Zaga. Set to the middle. Oh, Sander was there. Attack. And couldn't handle that attack. So point for Team Alisto again. 2-1 is their score. Now serving Ampo. Nice serve Ampo. You see it there? Set up to Maestrado. Maestrado. The drive. Set to the opposite. And the opposite will score. 3-1.
So pa, uy. Agree day.
Now serving. Pagkaya kasama Madam Priscilin. Receive Ignacio. Rizaga, I was set to. And a drop. Of course there. And a net touch violation committed by Maestrado. Which means the point will go to Alisto Gindoman. 4-1. No answer still for Team Vives. Are they gonna score this rally or not? That's the question. And that answers my question with a service error. 2-4, 2-point lead at Team Alisto. Now serving. Sobrang okay. Sorry kung natapakan yung pag-alab din mo. Set. Back set. Besado is in. Set to be open. It's brought to you by Lucky Me.
Hala!
Hala, Jerry. Anak ba? Now serving.
Mupijong kami.
Number 1.
Mupijong juga. Mulingiw kay nauban.
Set to the opposite, Troy. Troy's block.
Wala oh!
Set. And
Wala mo, oy!
There's a block touch.
Block touch.
According to our referee. 5-3. 2-point lead.
Mulingiw kay nauban.
Also, now
Mulingiw.
serving.
Nauban mga nauban.
DEFG. Ignacio is lead. Rizaga to the opposite. Is tracked by a block out. Score for Valencia. 4-5. Serving. Nice serve. Over receive. Ignacio. Rizaga to Maestrado. Pulling in. Pulling in to Pasalamin. Yeah. 5 off. Now serving. Still serving there. Ito. Maparaneta. Set to the middle. Block to the middle. Ang ball was set to the opposite. And there is Toby there. Oh, I understand. To the opposite. You know what's coming when he is writing. Yes. I started with a point. So, serving for Team Valencia. Maldita ka, Day. Maldita ka niya, ha? A service ace committed by Oracion Enterata. 7-5. Now serving Oracion, mi amigo. El servicio, el recibo, el seto, el cuatrojo, el ataco, el digo, el punto valenciano. And it's scored by 7-6 is our score, yes. You know.
Laisho.
Sitting on that, we have Troy Castrones from Yundona. Nice serve there. Receive by Oracion. Kobe. That connection has been on fire. You know, 2-point lead for Team Valencia. Now serving Romel Maestrado. Jump serve. A spin ball, a perfect receive there. Ampo to his open Castrones. It is inside. Wow, what a leap there by Castrones. I hope I have yes. 1-point lead for Team Valencia. Serving on deck. Nice serve there. Receive. Jump ball. The ball was there. Rizaga to the middle. Wow!
Pasang sando.
Well set there, and what a trust. Trust each other. 9-7 is our
Paspas na mo
score.
set mo nang bisag hinay nga atak.
Servicio mi
Uratan ng-
amigo, jersey
uratan
number
ng
11. El servicio, recibo libero, seto, opento, Castrones. El punto, alisto. 9-8. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no.
Laisyo!
Serve. Nice. Service error. Hi, hello mga baji! Maayong gabi ka na itong tagal. Now serving Ignacio. Sir Baji. Nice Sir Baji. Receive Baji. Set Baji. Drop Baji. Score Baji. 10-9 Baji. Anak lang. What's here? Serving Castrones. Nice serve. Receive by Maestrado. Kobe to the middle. Kobe, sorry.
Isa pa!
More there by
Isa pa! Isa pa! Pwede pa to?
Maglipong mo yung duwa ay. Feel ako igagaw mo. Feel ako igagaw ni sila. Okay, pero sila now. Nice serve. Nice receive. Set. And that is outside. 11-10. Now, a lead goes back to Alisto. It is back. It is back to back. Nice serve. Romero then this receive for the first time of the history. Jam! And C from the Jams. 2-point lead for Alisto.
Bawiya! Bawiya!
What will they do with this 2-point lead? Are they gonna get the lead or not? That's a question. Nice to see. Set to the middle, and Troy was there. Set. There is a double contact violation.
Kuyawa yahang double eh.
11-12. Now serving Gonzaga, the setter. Not the libero, the setter. Nice serve, a hard serve, but a nice receive. Combination. Ignacio was there. Set to Maestrado, and again and again. Maestrado. When you hear that, basta nakong expired na ang Alex at Polmo, mag-register na sa TNT upload. Now serving Gonzaga with the hard serve. And a service ace. 13-12. Pamatay service.
Yung service ding.
Now serving Gonzaga, Sander. Nice serve. Service time out for Alisto Budola.
14-12.
Uy, istorya. Sa ako kahalikin.
Serve lang din.
May mga nabi sa akong suking tigpaminaw. Back to the ball game. 14-12. Serving on that. Sander. Nice serve by Sander. Nice receive there. is late with a blocker. Set to the middle. Sander was there. That is a violation. 13.
Gemma!
Nice to see by Kobe. Set to the opposite on a strong. Nice dig there. Pinalik. Free ball. Kobe with a air. What's air? Free ball. I know. Castordes with a drop. Nice delay. Kobe with attack. Drop ball. Nobel was there. Set to the opposite.
Yeah!
Went back. Looking. Step down. I love this game, though. No more Gemma ha. Kobe ha. 2-point lead for Valencia. How will Alisto get their lead? There is a net touch violation by the middle blocker.
Sayang nga eh. Sayang nga eh. Black barang kuya. Sige lang, bawi lang!
Now serving Gian C. Nice serve. Nice serve and receive. Set to the quick. C was there.
Okay.
Good ball. Roman. 16, 14. Again and again and again. Do not stop until there is a whistle blown.
Day. Pasudli sa.
Because
Pasudli sa day tubig day.
now serving. Nice serve. This is the horn. Receptor. Oclaret from the middle. Oclaret says, no problem. 16, 15.
Pasudli ba ato?
Now serving. Troy Castrodes. Nice serve. For a shot. Receive. Set. Nice set. And 17, 15. Here's Putik. Now serving Maestrado. Alisto is preparing for the first serve. Set. Free ball. Oclaret. Get the ball back to Oclaret. Oclaret answers his. Answers 16 or 17. One-point lead, Valencia. Serving Oclaret. Nice serve. Nice over receive. And no one's there. We are now tied at 17.
Bawiya. Patay mo!
Serving Oclaret. Again. Kobe receives. Oh! Another miscommunication between the center and the middle. Now in lead back to Alisto with a 18, a 17. Oclaret serving. Oh, crucial error. Cutting their momentum and getting back the confidence for Team Valencia. Middle will serve, nice to serve, but nice up. And a combination play!
Sa blocker!
19, 18, 1-point lead, and Listo. We are now heading
Black.
to the end.
Titong!
Serving. A, B, C. Nice serve. Now yeah, to the opposite. Ignacio!
Check
With
ball.
check. Back to 19. Oh! Yes. What a tight match between the two teams. Serving Ignacio. Nice serve. Service ace. Sir Baji.
Di ko anra. Kan lang. Best of 3 ras namin.
Lagi. Sir Baji, receive. Service is Baji. Defended Valencia Baji. Tuglo Baji. Time out Baji, ayos na.
Smith sila ubukan sila ball lagi. Duha ilan nila.
Pero pag senior high nila, UB naman. Nya. MVP siya sa kuan ni. National pa sa MVP man to.
For team Ulster.
Hoy! Ano mo balik mo na siya?
Outside.
Hoy! Ano mo balik mo na nga siya ni Sir Baniha?
Nice serve, nice struggle with the receive. Drop ball, she was there. Set, go! Another miscommunication.
Isa na open.
Balik sa kwarto. Yes! Score is 21 all! A thrilling match! Serving Castronas. Nice serve. Rizaga receive. To the middle and 22-21. Serving Rizaga. Nice serve by Juan. Up still the back. It was over the 22 all. Who will rise on top and who will get down? Serving a ball. Nice serve. Receive. Tago. Drop. And crucial block point. 23-22. Lead is back at Alisto Gindolan.
Pabor tayo, pabor ya.
Marching Ampo.
Siya nga pabor ta to.
City. Dig by the middle. Opposite drop.
Ay, yes, okay lagi. Sayaw. Si angang kubi nang ilo.
Now
Ge.
they are at set point team Alisto.
Pana ya.
Nice serve Alisto. Receive. Ginawa ng paraan. Romel. It is outside. No check ball. First set.
Check ball.
Won by Alisto